How's it? Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Eight of Cups. Alright, so before we get started, please subscribe to our channel, it's free, and also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated with all our videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. In the Eight of Cups, a man walks away from the eight cups standing in the foreground. The cups are arranged in such a way that it looks like one is missing, a sign that emotional fulfillment and wholeness is lacking. The man has turned his back on these cups with a sense of loss and disappointment and shuffles away into the mountains. A nearby river symbolizes his emotions, and the mountains represent the awareness that this will not be an easy journey, though it will be necessary for true long-term happiness. The moon in the night sky illuminates the path ahead. The man is leaving in the dead of night, hoping to go unnoticed, suggesting that there may be a level of escape or avoidance in this card. Alright, so the Eight of Cups. All cups denote feelings and emotions. Element of water, zodiac sign of Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. This card signifies you are making an extremely important decision that will make an important impact on your life. You are choosing change and leaving behind what once you valued. You've decided to give it all up and the security that went with it, and searching for something missing in your life, either embarking on a spiritual journey, or a new job, or a new outlook in life. Keywords: dissatisfaction, closing a door, a journey, sacrifice, moving on, and disappointment in love. Alright, so now these are the Celtic cross positions. Key position 1 and flag position number 2. Now, we've done a video called the Celtic Cross. It's like a reference guide. If you look on the top right-hand corner at the suggested videos, you'll see a video on this. I suggest you go watch that video because it explains these positions properly and how the cards are all interrelated first. So go watch that first. All right. Celtic Cross position. 1. Key position number 1. Situation. A. Consider what role your own emotional withdrawal will contribute to the situation. B. Perhaps the situation can benefit from a timely retreat, at least temporarily. C. Do not overextend yourself and take on more than you can truly handle. Alright, so flag position number 2. Challenge. A. Examine and learn from past situations where you've done too much for others and ended up being depleted. B. No more. Learn to get comfortable in refusing to take on more. C. Consult someone with wisdom or tune into your own higher wisdom before taking action regarding the issue. Question. Change, outworn, and disappointment. A. Do you need to put your feelings in some kind of order? B. What is making you feel emotionally drained? C. Do you need to find a way to match your beliefs and your values? Eight of Cups in the upright position and the Eight of Cups in the reverse position. In other words, upside down. Alright, so the Eight of Cups signifies a time for change by walking away from something. You are confronted with a moment of transition and leaving an unpleasant past behind. It might have come about through boredom or unhappiness that comes with realizing that whatever you are looking for in life isn't as satisfying as you once assumed it to be. In the upright position, this card shows you are dissatisfied with your life and need to experience a higher purpose in life, and are coming to the realization that you need to step away from what is familiar. It's a choice and a recognition that true happiness will not be found in what you've already created. Sometimes, in order to make the right choices, we need to leave what we built behind. We all need to transform ourselves from time to time. It indicates a person undertaking this journey may be seeking excitement into the unknown, especially if they are tired of living day to day in the same old way. Embarking on a journey will help one to have a deeper understanding about life in general. You may have to leave a relationship that's not working out for you, or leave a job or financial security in order to build a life that is right for you. You know there will be many challenges to face, but the need to detach yourself from others and go it alone is important for your well-being and will potentially help you to grow both mentally as well as spiritually. You leave the outworn and move towards personal growth and great success. The end of a phase and the beginning of another. Alright, so the Eight of Cups in the reverse position. In the reverse position shows you are confused about which path to take and not knowing which is best for you. Feeling aimless and not having a clear-cut goal in your life. On the other hand, you may be aware of what you need to do. There is something that has for a long time stopped bringing joy or pleasure into your life, and you found yourself remaining in that position for some time. Leaving the security you've built up fills you with fear. You're scared of both change and losing something that has given you support and comfort. You fear that you may not be in a position to make necessary sacrifices that are needed for the better in order to achieve. You must have the courage to take a chance for the things that you deserve, and if you take this journey into the unknown, there's much more waiting for you out there in order to achieve and grow. All right, so that's it for the Eight of Cups. Our next video is going to be on the Nine of Cups, as you see here. All right, so please like this video, please share it, and subscribe to our channel. It's free, as I said earlier. And also make sure you hit that notification button so that you can get updated with all our videos. All right, until our next video on the Nine of Cups, this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Good day on you.